Hello, my name is Ayanna Cash Clements, and I am a product manager here at Waystar. I am part of the patient payments department, and that serves under the product department overall. I've been with Waystar now for 2 years. I actually joined Waystar. I worked in a health enterprise in Atlanta, Georgia, and I was there for 5 years. And so, what really attracted me to Waystar is their focus on simplifying healthcare payments because it can get really tricky. I know firsthand of what it looks like. And so, when joining the patient payment side, which was even more exciting, was really the focus on the patient experience. And now that the patient actually has to pay a bill, like does it create anxiety? How do we limit that? How do we limit friction? And so just joining Waystar and their overarching goal to really support healthcare enterprises, empower patients to know why they're paying what they owe, is really important to me and really important in my career journey. And so I'm really excited to continue my career growth as a product manager and continue to support healthcare enterprises across the nation. Since the pandemic, there's been a lot of changes, right? And we all experience it. And one thing is just being really the flexibility. So in my personal life, there's been a lot of changes, and being able to have a company that supports those changes personally, while also empower me to do the best work I can do at it every day, is really important to me. And then also culturally, I really enjoy how Waystar really puts a lot of focus on employees and their tenets of honesty and transparency and working together. So I would say that is the reason why I continue to choose to work at Waystar. The typical workday at Waystar, in 3 words, is collaboration, innovation, and I will say the big picture. The core value of really like honesty. We are building products and we're building technology, and we're also humans that are building that. So sometimes, there could be, it works, and there's times when there's improvement. And being able to be honest about, what we're putting out in the market, how that's going to really change the value and what the healthcare enterprises experience is like with revenue cycle, along with their patient experience. And also for myself, working alongside my peer-to-peer, is really trying to be as honest as possible about the products that we're going to be building and that other people are going to be interacting with. So I think overall, everyone really wants to have the trust and honesty that your teammate is going to have your back and really support you in your work, because we all have so much going on, including the healthcare enterprises, right? They're working with so many other vendors, but why they choose Waystar is because of the value that we bring to them on an everyday basis and how honest we are about the product that we're building that they're actually purchasing. One piece of advice I would give to a new employee would be, it would be kind of two things, but the two things I would say is be open and be willing to challenge yourself. So when you come into any new organization, you're not going to know everything. And sometimes that can feel pretty nerve-wracking, right? Because it feels like there's so much to learn on top of what you are expected to do every day. But to just be open. There will be things that come across on your plate that you weren't expecting and things you were expecting. And I think if you just really keep an open mindset, you'll find great value in what you're learning, and as you continue to build your own career and also contribute to Waystar. And then again, secondly, just challenge yourself. With that, there will be things that you may not feel like, okay, I've ever encountered this before, but grow your skill sets. Waystar will help you do that. You'll have amazing people you work with on the day-to-day. And I think if you come full to work and trying to just experience those two things when you're new, I think you will definitely have a good experience. You can't go wrong.